Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to disable parental controls for Nintendo 2DS. So in order to do this, we'll need to press on the icon in the top left corner of a screen, which indicates a house and a wrench next to it. Now move all the way down and click on the settings button. That way we'll enter Nintendo 2DS settings. From here move to parental controls and set change. Enter the PIN code, click OK, and from here we can go for parental control settings. Actually, wait, sorry, go for clear settings, delete, and that way you'll remove parental controls from your Nintendo console. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.